guys, back today with part 3 of making another portal. Sorry we didn't quite get to make it yet because we're trying to find our way back up to the surface, and I think I might have found it. Nope, I was wrong. It's not this way. I'm just gonna grab a whole bunch of extra stone. Just in case we want to mine up. Can't find our way out. We're gonna mine up through Ooh, I thought that was a trick real quick, because sometimes when you walk past, you see lava there, it'll just be like this. Oop, dead. Goodbye, you're going to come. Just took me in a big circle. We'll try going this way. You know what? I think it was up this way. Not this way though. Oh, lapis. You will need lapis if you want to enchant. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think I skipped that part. Nope, wrong way. Now I'm at the dead end. Okay. So we have this guy following us. We're just gonna head down this way. Okay, let's... Come on. Dang it. Alrighty guys, goodbye. There's obviously going to be 4 parts to this now, because this tablet is on 4%. So we are going to have 4 parts to this. And goodbye, but I'm going to make the other one longer.